It may not be perfect. Lots and lots and lots of beauty YouTubers out there that just spook and plan. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nerlinde, aka Nella. I have another requested video. This video is on how to put eyelashes. First, before we get there, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press that subscribe button that's there and press the notification bell to be notified the moment I upload a new video. So I'm gonna show you how I put on my eyelashes. First and foremost, I have super curled lashes. There are two different lashes in the world. Okay, you get the curled one, you get the straight one, you get not so curled, beautiful ones, and mine is super backwards. Like my eyelashes is like this. It's like it comes and then go and then boom at the back. So it's super hard if you have curled lashes to put on the falsie. It's a hell of a work. If you have straight and forward lashes, it's so easy for you to just pluck it on and there you go. So with me, it's quite of a hassle. I only learned to put on lashes. I only started putting on lashes when I started with my YouTube videos, and I was like, I need to learn how to put on lashes. My face is halfway done because I'm filming another video about this look, so I'm gonna put the link somewhere for you to just click on and watch if you're interested in this look. I'm drinking wine, you guys, so if I'm a bit tipsy, please forgive me. Tutorial, I'm just gonna start with I'm gonna use the very basic ones. This is just eyelashes from Clicks. It's kind of drama. You get really basic eyelashes, like barely there eyelashes from Clicks, but it just gives your natural lashes volume. If you've been following me for years now, I try to tone it down. I like a little bit more realistic looks that I can just go out there and just look naturally me. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm a bit tipsy. Inner part, and that's the outer part. So you must always measure in your eye. Most of the eyelashes comes already pre-glued, so it has a little bit of glue in it. Like if you tap it, you're gonna feel the resistance of the glue. So you always want to measure because it's already pre-glued, and I see how I'm going to cut it off. As you can see, oops, almost stuck. I'm now gonna cut it off. I have big eyes, so this will perfectly fit, but you must, if you have smaller eyes, you want to cut the outside, this part. You always want to cut the outside of the eyelashes, not the inside, or else it's not gonna look realistic. It's not gonna look natural at all. So always cut the outside part of the lashes, and you want to lay a very thin layer. I'm gonna show you guys up close. Okay, this is how. So normally people will put it like in here. I put it on the top here. I put my glue on the top part of the lashes, and I just blow it. And you always don't have a timer with you, so just count from 1 to 30, and that's your 30 seconds. And that's my 30-second rules, and I know my lashes it's nice. I know my lashes is nice. I know my lashes is nice. Then I know my lash is nice and tacky. So you always want to look down. Because my lashes is curled backwards, I also tilt. I tilt this thing and I put it like so. Sometimes it sits on my natural one, so I just brush it off. Then I take the back, and then I take the back part of my tweezer, then I press it down like that so that it can look a little bit natural, and especially in the corner. Like when your eyes are teary, this corner always tends to get loose, and then it stands like this. And voilà. Like the eyeliner before your mascara, the top part always tends to mess up. It will, I don't know with other people, with other pro, if it does not, but with me it always mess. So and then I will go again on top of it and reapply. Because after you apply the glue and everything, makes it a little bit dull. So always take your eyeliner again. If you use a pencil or you use a liquid liner or you use a gel liner, always go back and apply. That's how I apply my eyelashes. It may not be perfect. There are lots and lots of beauty YouTubers out there that just spook and plot. So they just pasted. So yeah, that is, thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and that's how the lashes looks like. I'm applying this and I'm about to say, so you guys should just bear with me. Let me know if you guys want me to show you also how to put the bottom one, because I also do put the bottom ones. But yeah, if you would like to do the bottoms and top. That sounds very naughty, bottom and top. Okay, but anyway, if you want to know how to put the bottom and the top lashes, if you're interested to also learn how to put the bottom lashes, please leave a comment down below so that I can make another video for you guys. Yeah, and eyelashes is the same as applying eyeliner. It smells your fear, it smells your anxiety, it senses everything. So take a deep breath and be fearless. Like, I'm applying you. I don't care how you're gonna look like, but I'm just applying you, and you can see you're gonna do good at it. So yeah, do not give up. Thank you so much for watching. It's your girl Nella, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video if you can. If you do not, I don't give a fuck. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Keep safe and look after yourself. Bye bye.